One of the most common questions that we get here at Freedom Tax Accounting is, how many real estate rental properties can I have under an LLC, or how many real estate rental properties should I have under an LLC? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello from Freedom Tax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. If you're new to this channel, we provide strategies for small business owners so they can achieve their financial goals. If that is a topic that you like, please subscribe to our channel. Now, many real estate investors get a consultation with us here at Freedom Tax Accounting. And one of the most common questions that they ask is, I want to form an LLC to buy real estate investment properties, but how many real estate investment properties can I have or should have under one LLC? Now, the information that we are going to provide in this video is general information. We always suggest that you get a consultation so we can evaluate your specific case, because every case is different. So if you want a consultation, please visit our website, freedomtaxfl.com. Schedule your consultation so we can evaluate your specific case and we can advise properly in this subject. But in general terms, you can basically buy as many real estate properties as you want under an LLC. Now, that is not legally wise. Why? Because you want to spread out the risk of your rental properties, meaning that if something happens on one of your rental properties, there's a lawsuit that the other rental properties that you have are not at risk. Because if you buy all your rental properties under one LLC, that means that if there's an accident or something happens in one property, the lawsuit is against the LLC, and now you are at risk of losing your other real estate rental properties in that lawsuit. Now, if people want the highest level of legal protection, the highest level of risk protection, then you would need to form one LLC per real estate property. That way, all of your real estate properties, they are all separated in different LLCs, and that is like the best legal protection if that is very important to you. Now, we and other professionals feel that is kind of overkill. So we usually suggest that you can buy real estate or put several properties under one LLC. And once your property equity reaches $250,000, now start buying properties under another LLC. That you should not have more than $250,000 in rental property equity under one single LLC. Now remember that equity is not home value. Okay, if you buy your properties cash and you don't have a mortgage, then the home value is your equity. But if you buy a property that its home value is $200,000, but you still owe a mortgage of $180,000, then you only have an equity of $20,000. So that's what we recommend, that you can put several properties under one LLC, and once your equity reaches $250,000, then open up another LLC to buy more properties under a separate LLC. Okay, so that's what we recommend here at Freedom Tax Accounting. But once again, every case is different. So you should take and call for a consultation so we can evaluate your case. And once you have $1 million in equity, then you should form a holding company, and that holding company be the owner of the other LLC. but that is a more advanced real estate tax strategy. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We hope you have received value out of this information. If you have, please like and share this video with other business owners or another person that wants to invest in real estate that can take advantage of this information. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember that we are praying for you, praying for your business, and praying for your family. Okay? Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.